Patients are tired of helicopter research. When academic and medical researchers land on a community and take off as soon as they've gathered their data or biospecimens. Healthcare professionals need patient-centered information, but gathering data from patients shouldn't be a one-way street. Based at the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy in Baltimore, the Patients Program does research differently. Having pioneered a framework for trustworthy community academic research, the Patients Program acts as a bridge between academic researchers and communities in West Baltimore and provides two-way benefits. Incorporating patient input makes research meaningful. When research is meaningful and trustworthy, more patients are willing to participate. Patient-centered research leads to greater diversity, faster recruitment, and greater retention. By engaging underrepresented populations, the Patients Program aligns research priorities with the values of diverse patients and communities. Our aim is to establish a Patients Professors Academy to teach other patients and researchers how to adopt our 10-step framework. The Patients Professors Academy will enroll the inaugural class once we secure funding. Our Patients Professors look forward to sharing how we have achieved success. With your support, the Patients Professors Academy will transform patient-centered research and create a path for health equity. Join us as an inaugural partner and be part of changing the face of patient-centered research.